How to add a custom video camera to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we tap on wallpaper and style. From here, tap on the lock screen panel. Then we go down and tap on the widget panel here. Next, tap on camera. Then tap on custom camera. Now tap on the start button. Then tap on title on widget and give it a name. So here we can name it video camera and tap on saved. Now tap on starting mode. In starting mode, select video and then choose whether you want to start the camera in rear or front camera. And then we tap on the back key. Here choose where you want to save pictures and videos to, select the folder. Then tap on saved and then tap on done. And that's it. Now go to your lock screen, and whenever you want to quickly launch the custom video camera, just tap on it. And then here the camera will launch in that particular video mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.